Welcome to Bombela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Limbo Mohale. Today I'm in Bombela Stadium to witness the Petro Premiership clash between TS Galaxy and Mamelodi Santos. A game as of two just gone to the scoreline of 3-2, and now I'm joined by Fele Crook. Welcome to the Petro Premiership, Dunayam. Automatically being crowded, Kataguni MF syndrome. Namtabo Tobo Land Dunayam, Land, Wendagalan, Dunam. TS Galaxy Bomb Cab, and I'm Sebe.
Ebut,
Sure.
Galak Cairns. Askona sak fanal. Mendo ma Bushbuck Ridge. Kruger National Park. Let's support the TS Galaxy. Mpumalanga. The place of a rising sun. Mpumalanga is on the map. Bushbuck Ridge. You can sing off. Kruger United on Betway. Elected.
Dunayam. Assistance Milan. Benito Pascal Kambla Kona like Kaya and TS Galaxy Jala Kanya and Mamelodi Santos. And Dunayam, Nichablan Garan, Bonam like Kaya and Amush, connect the team, Tifu Senalo, in Jamaica body, the Sally survive relocation, like no one to Shai Mamelodi Santos, Nichablan Garan, balance the Bepola Kona.
Njengoba mina ibholonge ayilandzela.
Sure.
Awuthinga ibuyele le eBushbuck Ridge ngikhulume ngesishangana.
Ah, fair.
Ngitalela hintsako ngopfu. Kufana na leswi asikona madala. Leswi yi supportisaka xiswona loko hi rile ka Nyamazana. Na hi yo tsaka hi te ku va supporteni. I swilo swa manyunyu, i swilo swa kusaseka. Yo khomisana. Hi vana va munhu madala.
Dunayam, bukela. Sunday, the Bees versus Kruger United. If la bakshayile khona cemle the Bees lapho nyalo. The Bees is survive relegation. Now when Dunam se promote niyabambana nyalo. Yini lesikahle siyilinzele kule game leyo kanti unakhuluma nabo idabi lekhulu eMpumalanga MFC lokho khuluma nabo
uyabona we nase sifika kule Mpumalanga Derby sesijabule kakhulu ngoba lapha sesiya kuyo celebrate njengemndeni kuthi nabo bethi be the Bees babalekile ku relegation thina sesihledi lethu sithi ababuye batosijoyina abakhuphuke ngiyoshiya luma madala the Bees babalekaya ngoba